Hey there everyone, welcome to an exciting journey into the world of Flow's latest innovation, Smart Wi-Fi. This is the home internet system you've been waiting for that offers great control, seamless connection and impressive value. First, let's look at connectivity. With Flow Smart Wi-Fi, you get enhanced connectivity from wall to wall in your home. Flow Smart Wi-Fi can also include Wi-Fi extenders to ensure you have full coverage no matter where you are. No more pesky dead spots around the house, say goodbye to them. But here's where it gets really interesting. You're in control. Using the Flow Smart Wi-Fi app, which you can easily download from Google Play or the App Store, you can manage every device on your network. Worried about your kids' screen time? Simply schedule internet access limits. It's easy as a few taps on your phone. And when you have friends or family over, you can give them secure access without revealing your main Wi-Fi password. Smart Wi-Fi lets you create separate logins for guests, keeping your network safe while they enjoy browsing. Now, let's talk about the deal. Smart Wi-Fi is bundled with Flow's Yard and Road Plus package, offering lightning-fast 500 megabytes per second speeds and unlimited mobile data. And the best part, it's just $6,999 plus GCT per month. If you want a home internet experience like never before, it's time to make the switch to Flow's Smart Wi-Fi. Visit Flow's website at discoverflow.co or visit one of their many retail stores across the island to get started on this incredible journey.